Hello everyone, welcome in the YouTube channel of Soul. Like everyone, I would like to thank our followers, and we are more and more, and of course our Patreon. We enjoy these 100 technical videos. This week was the first week kind of relaxed over here, not so great weather, no one on board. And I get my friend Ross, which is from Canada, who is down around, so we did a couple of jobs on board. We transformed part of my fridge on a freezer. We did a new bossum chair. We did some new line for the breaders, kind of thing like this. We're gonna share with you this week. It's now. Well, I just took a piece of PVC when I had some of the mattress you use when you do your gym on the floor, and that's it. Nothing more. Hey Ross. Hello. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va? How are you? Good?
Good. Welcome to the workshop.
Yeah. So today we transform a fridge on a freezer, half part, right?
That's right.
All right. So need a little bit of sew machine and a little bit of.
This is not an industrial sewing machine. It's just one that any woman would have.
All right. And a bit of geniusity, like a bit of genius, and that's it.
Yep.
All right. Welcome in Nauticus, guy.
Welcome to Nauticus.
Allez les amis, aujourd'hui on va transformer notre frigo en un frigidaire, enfin en un froid négatif. Et c'est Ross qui va nous faire ça, donc une machine à coudre normale, hein, et puis un petit peu d'ingéniosité, et voilà. Allez, bienvenue sur Nauticus.
Try to decide whether we should cut it off or no. Now try to keep it straight.
We should drink a bit of rum, that will make it straight. Anyway. This machine did a very good job, huh?
Putting the divider plate into the socket, then we'll fold it in half to make sure it fits. But to make it easier to sew it, we'll leave it out while we sew it.
All right, boss, let's do this.
And now we slide forward into the pocket.
If it's fit. Oh, like a candy.
So the top closed.
We're not straight. Look. This one is. No, we're not bad. And that's it, guys. Here is your freezer. And et voila!
Voila. Simple, no cost.
Easy. Well done. Great team. Okay, let's clean the winches. So we took it apart, and this is my Furley winch to my Genoa. So as you can see, it's quite really dirty. I spent the last 10 months to do 10,000 miles, so a lot of water spray on it. It was the right time to do it. So you get out the centerpiece. You be careful to not lose the bottom click. It looks how they looks like. Okay, so they looks quite new. So you need to clean the whole winch, and then when everything is clean, you put some grease on it. Nothing more than this. It's a really easy job to do. Then you just have to put back the head. At this point, make some rotation, listen the noise, be sure nothing is wrong and is turning normally. So it's important to do that before you put the wrist on. So the test is to put your finger on the way you normally put your winch handle and turn it by hand. If this works, that means it's well greased and there is no friction on it, and you're gonna be really smooth when you're gonna use it. Then you have to put back those I don't know the name of in English, let's say clip. And what you have to figure out when you're gonna put them back, they don't go in if you don't pull up the center part where your winch handle go in, because there is some throat there, a female one to let the male one going inside. So you're gonna figure out this when you're gonna put it back. Don't be stuck at this point. If you cannot put them inside, you can turn them to whatever you want like this. This is not gonna work. So you just need to pull up the center part and push, and be careful where is the finger, because the finger gonna be the one you can turn it around. What block it is when you put the top part like this, be sure you get this finger in this part. So don't do like this, okay, not gonna work. So okay, you get it here, and then if you're still turning like this, that means you didn't put the female part well. So here, if you look, everything is in place, and now nothing can move. Yeah, that's exactly where it's supposed to be. And now you winch them normally really smoothly and really well. That's how you're supposed to be, and you just have to add the cover. Don't close it with any tools, just by hand. You use the exactly like this, and job is done, nothing more. The winch done well, good job. And look at this. This is my new bossum chair. We can say a step chair, because I did that with a step, but I didn't get bossum chair. As you see, during my crossing I was going top of the mast without nothing, so now I made this one. You see some line, a bit of splicing, and nothing more. It's really easy. And so this is my future bossum chair. As you can see, easy one. I just have to put some pocket over here with tissue on the side, and I'm gonna get another things like cost me nothing almost to live on the boat. So if you need a bossum chair, this is a trick.
This is my favorite knot to put a loop in a line that can fold it in 3 directions. You go around your hand, you go around your hand again, but when you come up, you go in between them. You take this outside loop, you go over the top, through the middle, and pull it tight, and dress it. And now you have a knot. You can pull a car to the ditch like that and still get it undone, or like that, or hook 2 cars to it.
That's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please thumb up. If you're not a follower, please follow this YouTube channel. Like I told you, next week we go slowly down to Dominican Republic, and then we're gonna do all the Caribbean arc down to Grenada, probably Trinidad, and then gonna be the main question: do I stay there for the hurricane season, or do I go more east, like again the Roques, the ABC, Colombia, and then Panama and Central America, up probably to Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and the way back by Cuba and then the Bahamas again. I don't know yet. I will see this in 1 month, about the month of July. I will take a decision about that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube channel, and I say you please see you next week. Bye bye. Ciao.